In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Pipedrive. Whether you're growing your sales team or just need to give a colleague access to your pipeline, knowing how to properly add users is essential. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account with an admin or user management role. Only people with the correct permissions can add new users. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This is usually your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option called Manage Users. This is where you control who has access to your Pipedrive account and what they're allowed to do. When you click it, you'll be taken to the user management page where you can see a list of everyone who currently has access. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see a green button labeled Plus User. Go ahead and click that button to start adding someone new. This opens a window where you'll set up the basic details for the user you're inviting. The first and most important field is the email address. Type in the email address of the person you want to invite to Pipedrive. Double-check for any typos here, because this is where their invitation will be sent, and they'll use that email to log in. Once the email is entered, look for the option called Preview. Clicking Preview lets you review and adjust their access rights and permissions before you send the invite. This is a key step. Here, you can control things like whether they can see all deals or only their own, if they can edit settings, and what parts of the account they can work with. Take a moment to make sure these permissions match the role this person will have on your team. When you're satisfied with the permissions and everything looks correct, click the Invite User button. Pipedrive will send a registration email to the address you entered. From there, the person you invited just needs to open that email, follow the link, and finish setting up their account. Once they do, they'll appear in your user list and be ready to start working in Pipedrive.